Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add pictures on your Wix website. So let's jump right into it. First of all, go and log in with your Wix account and open the classic editor of the Wix. Once you're over here, you're going to tap on this plus icon in the left menu to add the elements. From here, select image. And if you don't find it over here, you can instead search for it. Now, under images, you're gonna go and click on upload images. Once the upload media will pop up, you're gonna click on upload from computer, or you can use the Wix gallery. So for right now, I'm going to select from my PC. Alright, so here I've added a PNG. Now select that and click on add to page. And you can see this picture has been added. So this is basically how you can add pictures on Wix website. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.